In this video I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file into a Word document. So what we will do, we will open our PDF file. As you can see, we have a complete PDF file about a privacy policy. So what we will do, we will go to this website, convertio.co. It is a very useful website to convert documents, files or anything else. So the next step is to upload our PDF file. We will select it, the privacy policy. Now once you have done that, open it. So the next step is to select the preferred file type. So select documents, go to docx and select it. Now once you have done that, then you can convert it. Click on convert and now it will be processed. Once this is done, you can download the document easily by clicking on the button download. Once we have clicked download, you can see the privacy policy is downloaded in the Word format. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in the next tutorial. Cheers guys!